Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Lady Maria 51 channel. Today we will be talking about butter or margarine. It seems the same but it's not. This information is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La información que le estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. I'm going to show it to the camera here. Look, here is the butter. And now look, see, this is the margarine. It doesn't say it's margarine on its packaging, but it does have the amount. This is margarine. It seems the same, but it's not. That is why today I will be telling you the specific characteristic of each one of them. We start with the butter. Butter is of animal origin and margarine is of plant origin. Butter contains vitamins including vitamin A, D, and E. In margarine, vitamins are added. Butter is good in flavor. Flavoring and coloring are added to the margarine. The process of making each of them from butter or margarine is different. Butter is made from cow milk, the cream of cow milk, and margarine is made from vegetable oils. These are several characteristics of butter and margarine, but it all depends on which of the two you would like to use. Also mention that butter is made from cow milk cream. The margarine is made from vegetable oil mixed with other ingredients. That is important for you to know. Also, margarine is cheaper than butter. My recommendation and my advice are always to check the label of the products you will buy to see what ingredients they contain and the nutritional information. That's my advice. Thank you friends for being here today. This video was made with a lot of love for you. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel Lady Maria 51 and activate the bell. See you in the next video.